Let me ask you to envision something alongside me. Visualize where you'll be 30 days from this moment. Do you perceive the same individual you currently are, or do you envision a transformed version, someone more resilient, self-controlled, and concentrated? This forms the foundation of our conversation today, mastering personal change within a 30-day time frame. Here's what most individuals do. They overvalue their yearly potential while undervaluing their monthly capabilities. 30 days holds tremendous power, sufficient duration for permanent change yet brief enough to maintain concentration and drive. This time frame serves as the ideal catalyst for launching your path toward achievement. Allow me to share something crucial with you. Achievement doesn't happen by chance. It results from conscious decisions, and at this very moment you're making such a decision. You're deciding to command your existence, to cease drifting aimlessly, and begin intentional planning. Because here's the reality. Without designing your personal life blueprint, you'll likely become part of someone else's agenda, and their plans for you won't amount to much. What does this monthly success blueprint entail? It rests upon 4 essential foundations: mental approach, objectives, practices, and implementation. These form the building blocks of personal change. Master these elements, and you'll discover what 30 days can accomplish. Let's begin with mental approach. Consider your mind as a garden plot. What seeds are you sowing there? Are you cultivating doubt, anxiety, and restrictions, or are you nurturing possibility, development, and prosperity? Here's what I'll tell you: whatever seeds you plant will determine your harvest. During these upcoming 30 days, I challenge you to become an expert cultivator of your thoughts. Remove the negative thinking weeds, uproot those restrictive beliefs that have constrained you, and begin sowing fresh seeds. Seeds of optimism, possibility, and the individual you aspire to become. How do you accomplish this? It begins with your internal dialogue. Your self-communication holds immense significance. Most people remain unaware that they experience approximately 60,000 daily thoughts, and for many, most of these thoughts carry negative weight. I'm inadequate. This is too challenging. Does this sound recognizable? For the next 30 days, I want you to intercept those pessimistic thoughts. Catch them, question them, and transform them. Can't with "how might I?" Replace "I'm inadequate" with "I'm continuously learning and developing." Change. This is too challenging. With this presents an opportunity for strengthening myself. This transcends mere optimistic thinking. This represents strategic thinking. This involves restructuring your brain for achievement, because here's the reality: success originates in your mind before manifesting in your reality. Now let's discuss objectives. Goals function as success navigation systems. Without defined goals, you're simply wandering. You might be active, but you're not advancing. For this monthly plan, I want you to establish clear, precise objectives, not unclear desires, but specific targets. What do you wish to accomplish over the next 30 days? Perhaps losing 10 pounds, reading 5 books, or increasing your income by 20%. Whatever your choice, make it specific, measurable, and significantly meaningful to you. The power of an objective extends beyond achieving it. The genuine power lies in who you transform into while pursuing that goal. When you target losing 10 pounds, you're not merely working toward a scale number. You're becoming someone who prioritizes health, demonstrates discipline, and can postpone immediate gratification for greater rewards. That represents true transformation. Here's the crucial element. Don't simply establish the goal and forget it. Document it, review it daily, visualize it, and feel it, because your focus determines what expands. What occupies your thoughts becomes reality. Let's proceed to habits. If goals represent your destination, habits serve as the transportation method. Your habits, repeated daily, shape your existence. As the phrase states, we become what we consistently do. Excellence isn't a single action, but a habit. For the upcoming 30 days, concentrate on developing new empowering habits. Here's the secret: begin small. Don't attempt to change everything simultaneously. Select 1 or 2 crucial habits that will significantly impact your goals. Perhaps rising an hour earlier daily, reading 30 minutes before sleep, or exercising 20 minutes each morning. Whatever you choose, commit completely and do it daily without exception, because consistency drives transformation. Here's something vital: monitor your habits. Maintain a record, use an application, whatever functions for you, but track them. What gets measured gets managed, and what gets managed gets enhanced. Remember, habits resemble compound interest for your existence. They might seem insignificant daily, but over time, the outcomes are remarkable. The habits you establish during these 30 days can literally alter your life's direction. Now let's address the fourth foundation, implementation. All the mental work, goal setting, and habit forming means nothing without action. Action brings everything to life. For the next 30 days, commit to massive implementation, not just any action, but massive action. Average implementation produces average outcomes, and you're not here for average, you're here for extraordinary results. What does massive action look like? It means exceeding what you believe you can do. It means pushing beyond your comfort zone daily. It means when you think you're finished, you do 5 more. When you want to surrender, you persist. I can already hear some thinking, but what if I fail? What if I take all this action and it doesn't succeed? Let me tell you something. Failure isn't success's opposite, it's success's component. Every failure, setback, and mistake serves as feedback. Information you can use to adjust your approach and refine your strategy. In fact, I want you to fail. Yes, you heard correctly. I want you to fail because if you're not failing, you're not challenging yourself sufficiently. You're playing too safely, and playing safely is today's riskiest approach. For the next 30 days, reframe your relationship with failure. View it as an instructor, not an adversary. Embrace it, learn from it, and most importantly, continue despite it. Now let's discuss something absolutely critical to your 30-day success. Your environment overpowers your willpower. To transform your life, you must transform your surroundings. For the next 30 days, become very intentional about your environment. The people surrounding you, the information you consume, the places where you spend time. All these influence you more than you realize. Start with the people in your life. You become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So who are your 5? Are they encouraging your growth or restraining you? Are they supporting your dreams or acting as pessimists? For the next 30 days, seek positive influences. Find mentors even through books or podcasts. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, challenge you, and make you want to improve. If you can't find these people in your immediate circle, go out and discover them. Join a club, attend seminars, network. While we're discussing environment, let's address the information you're consuming. In today's world, we're bombarded with information, but here's the thing. Not all information is equal. Some information empowers you, some depletes you. For the next 30 days, be very selective about what you allow into your mind. Eliminate negative news, gossipy social media, and mindless television. Instead, nourish your mind with things that inspire you, educate you, and encourage your growth. Read books, listen to podcasts, watch documentaries. Make learning a daily practice. Now let's discuss something many people overlook regarding personal transformation, your physical space. Your physical environment significantly impacts your mindset and productivity. For the next 30 days, optimize your physical space for success. Clear the clutter, organize your workspace, create an environment that energizes and inspires you. Because when your space is orderly, your mind follows. We've covered substantial ground: mindset, goals, habits, action, and environment. But there's one more crucial element to this 30-day transformation plan. It's easy to make self-promises, set goals, and say you'll do something. But when difficulties arise, when motivation fades, when life interferes, that's when accountability becomes crucial. For the next 30 days, create accountability in your life. Find an accountability partner, someone who shares your commitment to growth, someone who will check on you, someone who will hold you to your word. It could be a friend, family member, colleague, or even a coach or mentor. The important thing is that it's someone you respect, someone you don't want to disappoint. Share your goals with them, check in regularly, be honest about your progress and setbacks. Here's a powerful suggestion: make a public commitment. Share your goals on social media, tell friends and family what you're doing. When you make your intentions public, you create social pressure to follow through. Use that pressure to your advantage. As we near our discussion's end, I want to address something important. This 30-day plan we've discussed isn't easy. Transformation never is. There will be days when you don't feel like doing the work. Moments when you want to quit, when you think it's not worthwhile. In those moments, remember why you started. Remember your life vision. Remember the person you're becoming, and most importantly, remember this: discipline's pain weighs ounces, but regret's pain weighs tons. A month from now, you're going to arrive, that's guaranteed. The question is, where will you arrive? Will you be in the same place you are now with identical habits, mindset, and results? Or will you be someone new, stronger, more disciplined, more successful? The choice is yours, and you're making that choice not just once, but every single day for the next 30 days. Every time you wake early, push through discomfort, choose growth over comfort, you're choosing your future self. Let me tell you something: that future self is supporting you. That future self knows your capabilities. That future self is waiting for you to unleash your potential. As we conclude, I want to leave you with this: the next 30 days will pass whether you take action or not. Time will move forward. The question is, will you move forward with it? Will you use these 30 days to transform your life, build new habits, expand your mind, push your limits? Or will you let them slip by as another month of unfulfilled potential? I believe in you. I believe in your capacity for growth, change, and success. But my belief doesn't matter nearly as much as your self-belief. Right here, right now, make a decision. Decide that the next 30 days will be different. Decide that you'll give your all. Decide that you'll become the person you've always known you could be. Remember, success isn't something you pursue. Success is something you attract by the person you become. For the next 30 days, focus on becoming. Become more disciplined, more knowledgeable, more resilient. As you do, as you transform yourself daily, you'll discover that your life begins transforming as well. Your relationships will improve, your career will advance, your health will flourish. Because when you change, everything changes. Go out there and make these next 30 days matter. Embrace the challenge, embrace the discomfort, embrace the growth, because on the other side of that challenge, on the other side of that discomfort, lies the life you've always dreamed of. You possess greatness within you. You have potential beyond your imagination, and these next 30 days are your opportunity to access that greatness, to unleash that potential. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Don't let another day pass without taking action. Begin now. Start where you are. Start with what you have, but start, because a month from now you'll wish you had started today. Remember, it's not about resources, it's about resourcefulness. It's not about where you start, it's about where you're determined to go. It's not about past actions, it's about what you're willing to do starting right now. Take that first step, make that first change, plant that first seed, and then nurture it every single day for the next 30 days. Water it with your effort, your determination, your relentless pursuit of growth, and watch as that seed begins sprouting. Watch as those small daily actions begin compounding. Watch as you begin transforming not just your habits, not just your actions, but your very identity. This 30-day plan is really about becoming a different person. Someone who doesn't just dream about success, but takes daily action to create it. Someone who doesn't make excuses, but finds solutions. Someone who doesn't wait for opportunity, but creates it. As you go through these next 30 days, keep a journal. Record your thoughts, experiences, victories, and yes, even your setbacks. This journal will become a powerful tool for reflection and growth. It will show you how far you've progressed and remind you of the lessons learned along the way. Here's something powerful at each day's end. Ask yourself these questions. What did I learn today? How did I grow? What am I grateful for? These questions will help you maintain perspective. Stay focused on growth and cultivate gratitude. Gratitude, my friends, is the antidote to fear, doubt, and complacency. When you're grateful, you can't be fearful. When you're grateful, you can't be doubtful. When you're grateful, you can't be complacent. The gratitude ignites ambition's fire and fuels perseverance's engine. As you go through this 30-day transformation, remember this: progress, not perfection. You're not aiming for perfect 30 days. You're aiming for 30 days of consistent effort, continuous learning, relentless growth. There will be days when you fall short, days when you stumble, but here's the key: it's not about never falling. It's about always rising. It's not about never making mistakes, it's about learning from every mistake. When those difficult days come, and they will, don't criticize yourself. Instead, show yourself compassion, remind yourself that this is all part of the process, dust yourself off, learn the lesson, and keep moving forward. Remember, the goal isn't perfection. The goal is being better than yesterday. If you can do that daily for 30 days, you'll be amazed at your progress. Now let's discuss something often overlooked in success discussion: celebration's power. Too often, we're so focused on the next goal, the next milestone, that we forget to celebrate our victories along the way. For the next 30 days, celebrate your wins, no matter how small they seem. Did you wake on time? Celebrate it. Did you stick to your new habit? Celebrate it. Did you push through when you wanted to quit? These celebrations serve a powerful purpose. They reinforce positive behavior, boost motivation, and remind you that you're making progress even when it doesn't feel like it. Don't wait until the 30 days end to celebrate. Celebrate every single day. Celebrate every step forward, no matter how small, because those small steps, those daily victories, pave the way for major transformation. As we approach our discussion's end, I want to address something important. This 30-day plan we've discussed isn't a magic solution. It won't solve all problems overnight. What it is a starting point, a launch pad for lifelong growth and success. The real goal here isn't just having great 30 days. The real goal is creating lasting change, developing habits and mindsets that will serve you for life. This 30-day plan is just your journey's beginning. As you embark on this 30-day transformation, think beyond these 30 days. How can you take the lessons learned, habits developed, and mindset cultivated and extend them into the future? How can you make this not just a 30-day sprint, but the start of a lifelong personal growth and success marathon? Remember, success isn't a destination, it's a journey. It's a process of continuous improvement, constant learning, relentless growth. That journey starts right here, right now, with your decision to commit to these next 30 days. Go forth with courage, determination, and unwavering self-belief and belief in your potential. Embrace the challenge, embrace the growth, embrace the transformation, because 30 days from now, you won't just have changed your habits or actions. You'll have changed your life. Always remember, the best investment you can make is investing in yourself. Invest these next 30 days wisely. Invest in your growth, your learning, your success, because when you invest in yourself, the dividends are limitless. Now go out there and make these next 30 days count. Your future self is counting on you.